Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to install Python on our machine. More specifically, we are going to install the Anacondas distribution of Python. So the reason that we are installing Anacondas distribution of Python is because with just a single installation along with Python, it gives us a lot of data analysis, visualization and machine learning packages which comes along with a single installation. So packages such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, scikit-learn and many others. So it's not just that, along with this it also comes with a good package manager, so that even if you want some other packages you can install it easily with the Anacondas package manager. Okay, and also it comes with a very good IDE called Jupyter Notebook, which we will be seeing in this video. So to be able to land up on this page or to download the file for installation, just type in Google download Anacondas and click on the official link. So if you scroll down, here we have the file for different operating systems such as Windows, Mac and Linux. So I am using a Windows machine and 64-bit architecture. So I'm going to download this 637 MB. So I'm not going to download it again, because if you can observe, I have already downloaded the file and kept. So let's just proceed with the installation. So I will just right click on it and run as administrator. So the reason for doing that is because we want to install the software for all the users of this machine. So we'll click on next. I agree. So here's something that you want to do is you want to install the software for all the users, right? I'll click on next. Let's go with the default folder where the software is going to install. It's in C, program data and Anaconda 3. We'll click on next. And also check this checkbox which says add Anaconda to system path environment variable. So we'll check the checkbox and we'll click on install. So I guess the installation is complete. Now we'll click on next. Okay, we'll click on next and yeah. So now that installation is complete, let us try to verify it by writing a simple hello world program. We're going to use the Jupyter notebook to write the program. So I am going to E drive. I'll create a new folder and call it as Python tutorials. So I'm going to create the Jupyter notebook file inside here. So we're going to have to open up the Jupyter notebook in any folder. Just you have to open the command prompt first. So in the address bar I'll just type cmd, and this will open up a command prompt. Now to open up a Jupyter notebook in this particular folder, you just have to write Jupyter space notebook. So what this is going to do is it's going to open up the Jupyter notebook IDE in your default browser, and the root folder will be the folder whichever you have chosen, I mean from where you have opened up the command prompt. Okay. So next thing that we want to do is we're going to have to click on new and Python 3. So let us save the name of the file as tutorial1 and rename. So if you observe in the folder where you open up the command prompt, the file is now saved, tutorial1.ipython notebook, which is a Jupyter notebook file. So next we're gonna write a simple hello world program. So we'll simply write print and say hello world. Now to execute this cell, you have two options. One is you can click on this run button, or else you can use a shortcut which is shift plus enter. So I will type shift and enter. So the output appears just below the cell. Okay. So now the installation is complete, and we are also able to write programs in Python, especially in the Jupyter notebook. So next we're going to concentrate on other tutorial videos.